Solid Waste Resources Management Complex. Welcome to LA Sanitation's Open House Zero Waste event. They're back after 3 whole years. This is where the trucks fuel up. Look at the mural. And there they are, the trucks. They got a condor Amrep out. I'm almost there. Almost there.
I'll let you do something I don't let nobody else do.
Okay.
Flip that red switch in there.
Okay.
Flip the switch back and push. Make sure they're closed. Push up and down with this side. Right? No. Yeah, that one. But forward.
Forward?
Yeah.
Okay.
Push it. It's gonna accelerate.
Oh, really?
Oh no. You know what? It's not.
It's not?
I have the packer stopped.
Oh, the packer stopped.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's no problem.
Next time.
Yeah, next time. I'll get in line again.
Or just flip the switch back.
Okay, I'll flip the switch back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go with this one.
Okay.
A little more time?
Yeah. Hello.
Please take a magnet. We're open 24/7. Our phone number is on there. If you have a bulky item like the sofa that needs to be collected, just give us a call. We'll take care of it for you.
Cool. Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
We're here with the Neighborhood City Council. If you'd like some information on our Neighborhood City Council, you can always sign in and I can give you the till for the mask and the card holder.
This is cool. Hello.
So we are Office Services, so we're one of the haulers and part of Recycla. We do the services for West LA region. We have some recycling cheat sheets here.
Oh, cool.
So this goes over all the 3 service streams, so recycle, trash, compost.
Cool.
If you ever have any doubts, feel free to refer to that. And then we also have the Safe Center flyers, so if you have hazardous waste at home,
Oh, okay.
batteries, motor oil, things like that. Even old laptops, these are all the places where they can be safely processed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take one of these bookmarks. These are cool.
Yeah, of course.
Look at all that recycling. There's recycling going on here too. Look at those bales of paper and cardboard.
So we got the Excel button here, which speeds it up. We got to open and close.
Okay.
This goes up and down.
Okay.
When you grab the can, it closes it.
Yeah.
Shake it off, make everything comes out, and then let's go.
Okay.
So when you fill it up with trash or green waste or recyclables,
Yeah.
the gripper comes down, the towel comes down, and basically it'll scoop it up and bring it inside. It'll pack it for you.
That's awesome. Yeah, I know everything.
Hey Raider, I'm not talking to you. Pay attention to your kids, please, all right? Don't be so rude. I love this guy.
Yeah. Bloodhound. We got the Octos 764, 859, 7711. Let's see. Piston Pete. Fueling station. Do not leave pump unattended. Okay, I've got some time before I leave, and they said I could come back here. Breaking Bad, 253. Let's see if it's open. Holy moly, it is open. The inside of an autocar cab. The fan. $286. Action packed. Okay, this one's locked. Let's see. Let's look at the other side. Locked. New Jack City. Ooh, this one's open. Sweet! Ooh, this one's really dirty. Let's see what's this. To not remove this tag, please return chain to service truck or office. Thank you. Let's see if this Amrep Octo is open. Sweet, it's open. Okay, we got someone's backpack here. You've got tags. Got a hard hat. Gloves. Let's see if this truck has an insignia too. Lift off. 826. I got 10 minutes. Let's see what I can do in 10 minutes. Short round. Let's see. Let's see if I can. This one's not too bad. Pre-inspection activity log. Yeah, I have no clue how to pronounce that name. Disposal site, Athens. Odometer, tons. Wow, their first load, 1 point. Is that a 7 or a 1? Who knows? Odometer. Cool. In, out. This one's really dirty. Beyond reality. Whoa, this one's really bad. Which one should I go into? I'll go into this one. 305. Okay, there's nothing much interesting in there. Let's see. What is on this end? Oh, same stuff. Nothing fun. Let's go in this one. Look at the sticker on it. Oh, you got gloves. Cool. More. This one's interesting. There's a note on here. says, cycle is on 3 because cylinders leaking. Watch hydro fluid. Cool. Well, not cool. Oh, there's someone there. Oh. What does it say? Jive drive? Oh, in loving memory. In loving memory. Oh man. First aid kit. Alright, I'm out of here, guys. This was amazing.